While you're busy trying to find the absolute bottom on the Bitcoin chart, the real world is literally cracking at the seams. US inflation just spiked to 4.2%, and the Fed is backed into a corner. They can't cut rates while prices are pumping, and the market is already pricing in a staggering 94% chance that instead of a rate cut, we're getting another rate hike before the end of the year. To make things worse, Elon Musk just entered the chat. The hype around the SpaceX IPO is so insane that retail investors are panic selling their gold, silver, and crypto just to go all in on SpaceX stock. This is completely draining liquidity from the market, creating an absolute bloodbath for the retail hamsters. But if you compare the SpaceX IPO to the Tesla IPO, I think history is about to repeat itself. We'll see a massive pump right after the launch, followed by a brutal crash. The stock will likely chop sideways in an accumulation range for a year or more, and only then will the real macro growth start, assuming the company actually becomes profitable. Because let's be real, as of right now, Starlink is the only thing actually making them money. But let's pivot back to crypto and look at a couple of altcoins. ADA just lost a key support level and dumped below its 2022 lows. Personally, I wouldn't rush to buy this dip just yet. First of all, before buying any alts, you need to check the alt season index, which we broke down in my last video. Second of all, catching a falling knife is never a good strategy. You need to wait for the selling pressure to dry up and see actual signs of whales accumulating. Until we see that buyer volume step in, I'm sitting on the sidelines. As for Bitcoin, I am still patiently waiting for it to drop below $150. There is a massive pool of liquidity sitting right under those previous lows in the form of stop losses. In my opinion, there is a very high probability that the market makers will push the price down there to sweep those stops. Until TAO drops into that zone, I'm not interested. My friends, if you want to trade, use my registration link for the Bitunix exchange. You will get excellent conditions for trading, 25% discount on trading commissions, and a welcome bonus for new users. The link is in the description below the video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I wish you all massive profits.